This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a zoom effect on your screen when you're playing PlayStation 5 games. And this is an accessibility options and it will allow you to see objects a little bit further away easy. So to do this, let's go to the home screen, then go to the top and go to settings, then go to accessibilities, and then we want to go down to display and sound and go to the right and go to zoom, magnify things on the screen. Then make sure this is enabled on the top, and you can go to adjust display area to movement. So I have this selected. Adjust the display area to your movement on the screen. The setting is disabled when playing games and when using certain features. So to apply the zoom now, you have to press the PlayStation button and square, and then you can reset it with O, you can confirm it with X, and you can move it with the right thumbstick. So PlayStation button and square, let's go back to my game, and then I can show you in the game how this is beneficial. So let's press the PlayStation button and square. Alright, so I'm zoomed in a little bit. Now I can move in and move around the screen. So let's zoom in a little bit, and then we should be good to go. So we can move around the screen here. So it looks like I can't zoom in too much more here. So I can zoom out here with O and reset it. So let's try zooming in more. So if I keep pressing this, looks like it zooms in more. Alright, so you can see how it's kind of beneficial, and then we have to apply it with the X button. So if you're playing a game in Call of Duty, if you are having trouble like seeing someone really far away, you can just do this and then you can see further away. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.